Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words for today. Number one, apart. Do you know what that means? Very good. Number two, your idea. Correct. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. My car has many parts. My car has many parts. Parts. My car has many little things that work together. Now we can make a flashcard for parts. We use this word with of very much. This is a part of the car. Please make a flashcard like this. Write part up here in the top left corner. P-A-R-T. Down here, N1, V2. N1 means noun, level 1, and the number 124 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Part. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer sounds intelligent. Jennifer sounds intelligent. She sounds intelligent. What she says makes us think that she is wise and educated. Now we can make a flashcard for to sound. Please make a flashcard like this. Write to sound up here in the top left corner. We say to sound good or to sound happy. Down here, V1 and 2. V1 means verb, level 1. And over here, the number 56 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like ow, sow, sound. Game over. You did very well today. Does a car have many parts or only a few parts? Many, correct. Number two, your idea. Sounds good. I like it. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number one, can you say it? A guide. Yes, this could be a person that helps you or a thing. Number two is a bird. Correct. Humming. 2 M's. Number three, too. The missing letter is an A, to paste. Today is Tuesday, July 15th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. It is rotating, so you can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.